Hey you guys, for those who don't know me, I'm Chef Sunflour and this is my channel, Wake and Bake. I could be a pretty girl. Who is Chef Sunflour? For you guys who don't know me, I've been baking for forever. Professionally since I was 16 in bakeries, but since I was a little kid. I've been taking decorating actually seriously for the past year now, and yeah, it's my first year decorating, and I think I'm really surprising a lot of people, but I am an artist at heart. I've always drawn and I've always loved sculpting and stuff like that, so it's pretty much the same thing to me. I am originally from Cleveland, Ohio, whoop whoop, and I moved to Atlanta when I was 18. I went to the Art Institute of Atlanta for 1.5 years, but they kicked me out, so didn't never graduate. I've been loving baking my whole life. I've always loved eating, and I've always loved art, so I put them together, and I just felt like I should become a cake decorator. I'm like really into food more than other people are. Like I'm just like, how does it taste? And they just like food, and I'm just like, but the texture. And so I realized I was really into food, and you know, I'm really into art, so I love cake art. That's my whole thing. This is my channel where I do crazy cakes that I see on Instagram or anything, and I try them out for the first time. So this is where I experiment and I try different cakes, and I see it and do it, and you get the whole gist of it. But welcome to my channel. I hope you like it. Subscribe to me and keep on motivating me to keep on going. I'm new. Check out my video. Check out my page. Peace, love, and happiness always. Bye.